In this video, we will show you how to set up Wooting 60HE. If you guys want to get started with Wooting.io, you can use the links down in the description. First, unbox your Wooting 60HE and connect it to your computer using the provided USB-C cable. Now go to the Wooting website and download the Wootility software, which is required to configure your keyboard. Then install Wootility on your computer and open the software. Next, Wootility should automatically detect your Wooting 60HE. If it doesn't, make sure the keyboard is properly connected. Now you can start customizing your keyboard settings. You can adjust the actuation points, set up RGB lighting, and create different profiles for various games or tasks. After making your adjustments, click Apply to save the settings to your keyboard. Finally, test out your Wooting 60HE to ensure all your settings are working as expected. Now your Wooting 60HE is set up and ready to use. So that's how to set up Wooting 60HE. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Wooting.io. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.